I think businessman or entrepreneurs are much more intellectual when it comes to spending money or investing somewhere. So if you could tell me something about the smart investment thing, or where should we invest and where should we not, if you could enlighten a bit.
So basically, Titi, what happens ki investment depends upon your total earnings and the balance of residual after expenses. So you have to first take care of your necessary expenses, then whatever is left behind, that money you can put in some investment so that it again works for. So it will depend upon, there are many instruments available in the market. Earlier, our family used to prefer only fixed deposits, or they used to invest in gold, silver. But now there are many other things have popped up, like investments in startups, investment in government securities, bonds, and investment in equity, investment in mutual fund. So it will, one has to understand their requirement, and there is a proper science behind investment. If for how much period you want to invest, what are your goals for the this. So it will depend upon individual to first finalize their life goals, ki how much, for what they want to build up wealth, for buying a house, for a children's studies, for their future pension planning.